Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier videos of Bitcoin, I was showing you a very massive Elliott wave structure that Bitcoin is forming on a monthly time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live monthly time frame chart, then you can see that Bitcoin is right now forming the fifth wave of this Elliott wave structure. This was the impulsive wave 1, then we have the correction wave 2. That is not, by the way, retrace more than 100% of wave 1. If I place a trend line here, then you can see that it is not retraced more than 100%. Then we have another impulsive wave 3. Then we have the correction wave 4. And if I place a trend line here at the bottom of wave 4, then you can see that it is not overlapping wave 1. And now the price line is forming the wave 5. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive cup and handle formation on this monthly time frame chart as well. And I would also like to show you once again this Bollinger Bands on the monthly time frame chart. As in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you this Bollinger Bands, and I was telling you that the Bollinger Bands, the upper bands and the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands are quite squeezed now. Therefore, at any time we can expect a big move. The price end has bounced very well, and now you can see that it is struggling to break out this basis. That is the blue line, the resistance of this Bollinger Band that was previously breaking as support, and now it is breaking as a resistance. And we will also analyze the Bollinger Band's width indicator as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will also share the link for the trading signal report for the current month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for XLR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 16th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that the first price moved down into the buying zone, then we had a very, very nice pump. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. First of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that the movement, the upper bands and the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands are quite squeezed now. And you can see that previously when it was squeezed here, then we had a very, very massive rally to the upside. Before that, it was squeezed here. Then we had another pump. And this time you can see that the Bollinger Band is still very squeezed, and the price has bounced very well from the support. And now after this bounce, if the price breaks out this basis that is they're breaking now as a resistance, then there will be a very high probability that the price may hit the resistance or upper bands of this Bollinger Band that is at this time at $72,587. And then it may again start another pump or rally to the upside. But for that, we will need to keep an eye on the Bollinger Band width indicator. If this blue line will start moving to the upside, that will be a very, very clear and very big signal that the price can now start a massive move to the upside, like it was happening here and here as well. Now, if we take a look at the monthly time frame chart, then here you can see that the price is moving inside a very long-term up channel. And while moving inside this channel, you can see that it is also forming a very, very huge Elliott wave structure as well. This is the impulsive wave 1, then we have the correction wave 2, then we have the longest wave 3, then we have the correction wave 4, and this is the formation of wave 5. At the same time, you can see that the price line is also forming a very, very huge and massive cup and handle pattern as well. And this is the round shape body of the cup. Here we have the round shape body of the cup, and this is the resistance of this cup. And right now you can see that the price line is forming the handle of this cup and handle pattern. Here we have the resistance of this handle, and here we have the support of this handle. And if I place a Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has retraced up to 0.382. It can be maximum retrace up to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. If it will be moved down there, then it can hit somewhere between $47,000 or $46,000. However, if it will be retraced more than this level, then this cup and handle pattern will be invalidated. And now if the price breaks out the handle of the cup and then breaks out the resistance of the cup, then we can expect a very massive rally. And by the way, the technical target for this cup and handle pattern will be somewhere here. If I place it here, then you can see that it can be somewhere between $380,000 to $400,000. But in my opinion, before that, it can hit somewhere $100,000 to $150,000 level. Then we may see ABC correction, and then it may hit the target for the breakout from this cup and handle pattern, and it may also read the resistance of this big and long-term down up channel as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.